Hello, are we ready to talk about all the pampering? So, I have already washed my face and I have toned my face. I used our prebiotic facial wash and our prebiotic facial mist. And now I am ready for all of the pampering. So, the very first thing is the lightening serum, and it tells you right on the bottle that this one goes on first. So all of these serums are based on what you need and based on your skin type. So you don't have to do all of this. Your combination of serums is probably going to be different than mine. Maybe it's not. But let me help you pick that out. So let me know what your skin type is and what you're trying to target. So for me, I need the lightening serum. I have hereditary melasma, which is darkening spots of the skin here and here. It's from my mom. I also get it under here. It's also known as mother's mask, and it can be a hormonal thing. So this is a targeted treatment. It comes with a little dropper. And so what it means by targeted is you don't have to put this all over your face. You can. So for me, I target here, up here, just gently, and then I pat it in here as well, because that skin under the eyes is very sensitive. So, and that dries honestly very quickly. The second thing for me is vitamin C serum. So we are very comfortable with taking vitamins, and we know that all of our organs need vitamins and minerals, but so many times we don't take care of our largest organ, which is our skin. And so this vitamin C serum, I don't care what your skin type is. I don't care how old you are. You need this. Take care of your skin. It takes care of you. So it too comes with a dropper in it. You can do half to a full dropper. I'd actually put it in your hands. I'm going to do a half and just wipe it around, get it a little bit warm, and then pat it all over your skin. All over your lips and down your neck and backs of your hands. Feels wonderful. I love this stuff. Okay. Then, if you want to, you can do the anti-aging oil serum. I'm just going to do a little bit of this. I am oily, but I do want to add a little bit of moisture and hydration to especially the eye area. I'm getting a couple of wrinkles up here, lines. And you just kind of want to pat that in. This is a thicker serum. And you can see that my face is starting to get a little pink. And what that's from, honestly, is the blood vessels coming to the surface of my skin. And it is creating more collagen and elasticity. And so blood coming to the surface is actually a good thing. So you're getting some circulation going. You can also, if you want to, use our jade roller. And I'll use this sometimes, and it's cold and it feels so good. I'll use it to get a little more circulation going, to try and work on these fine lines. So you can see I'm getting a little redder. And then gently on these bags of mine. And it just feels so good. It's nice and cool. And it works in the serums as well. These happy lines when you smile. But then you can also, oops. Nobody ever said I was graceful. Neck, and it just, it feels so good. It's not like a nice little massage. And it's helping with circulation. And you can work your jawline. So anyway, this is just a fun little tool. It's called the Jade Roller. And it helps work in all the serums. Okay, so, and then there's more serums. I did not do all of them. Then the probiotic eye gel. So this is going to help with, and I'm going to do about a half a pump. This is going to help with dark circles, puffiness, fine lines. elasticity. So it's got coffee and green tea in it. So that caffeine is what's stimulating everything. So I'll put this down here, and I'll also put it on my brow bone up here. So you may have heard, if there's no bone, leave it alone. So our eye skin is very sensitive. So you really don't want to you just want to go on the bone areas that you feel. Okay, now this is going to take 2 to 3 minutes to dry, to be very honest. This is the longest drying one that we have. But, the caffeine and the green tea is going to cause some tingling. And honestly, that will go away. And it's completely normal. It's the caffeine. So that's going to dry. And then I'm not going to sit here for 3 minutes and let it dry for you. So what's next after, so those are all of my serums. That's what I use right now in my current regime. Then you moisturize, and I love this coconut rehab cream. It is so nice and light and smells wonderful, and so that goes on last. And 2 was a little too much for me this morning. Some days when I first started this, I needed like 5 pumps because my skin was lacking moisture, even though I was using a moisturizer. So this has been amazing. So anyway, there we go. This stuff feels so good. And once this dries, I'm ready for primer and put on my makeup or just go about my day. So that's all the pampering, and let me help you pick your pampering choices.